everyone. Welcome back to my channel UPSC Bot. In our last video, we discussed the detailed structure of the UPSC exams and how to begin your preparation journey. If you missed it, make sure to check it out. You can even check out that video by clicking on the I button in the right corner. Today, we are taking the next big step, diving into the book list, prelims and mains preparation. These resources will save you time, help you study smarter, and bring you closer to your goal of acing the examination. Let's begin with General Studies Paper 1. It has 3 subjects: Geography, History, and Society. For Geography, your journey starts with NCERTs. Start with NCERT from class 6 to 10th for basics building. Once you're comfortable, move on to classes 11th and 12th for advanced learning. To deepen your understanding, refer GC Leong and PMF book. Use maps actively to link your learning to visual cues. Next is History. Start with R.S. Sharma's old NCERTs and Class 11 Tamil Nadu book for ancient history. For medieval history, Satish Chandra book, old NCERT, is sufficient. Modern history requires a dual focus. Use NCERT along with Spectrum for detailed analysis. For world history, Arjun Dev's NCERT works perfectly. Don't skip post-independence. Books like Bipin Chandra India Since Independence and Nitin Sangwan's notes will help. Society is another vital part of GS Paper 1. Rely on class 11th and 12th NCERTs for basic understanding. Complement this with articles from newspapers and Vision IS 365 booklet. Make notes on current social issues for an edge in your answers. Now, moving to General Studies Paper 2. It has 4 subparts: Polity, Governance, International Relations, and Social Justice. Polity is a game changer. Start with NCERTs, class 11th and 12th, then Master Indian Polity by M. Laxmikanth. For value addition, refer to PIB and PRS legislative research for detailed insights into government bills and schemes. For governance, the second ARC report and Niti Aayog's 3-year agenda provide in-depth coverage. Also refer to PRS and PIB websites for bills and schemes. International relations is all about staying updated. Regularly read newspapers, editorials, and refer to Ministry of External Affairs website for factual data. Now, coming to social justice. Refer to PIB website for vulnerable sections, minorities, children, SC/STs. Read their ministries and schemes related to them. Then we have General Studies Paper 3, which have 5 parts: Economics, Environment, Disaster Management, Science and Technology, and Internal Security. Starting with Economics, build your base with NCERTs of class 9th, 10th, 11th, and 12th. Shriram's notes and Ramesh Singh's book will offer detailed explanation. Don't forget the current affairs, editorials, and the PIB. Also, refer to economic surveys, especially the boxes, and budget summary. These are treasure troves for both prelims and mains. You can also refer to online websites like Investopedia and Orthopedia for understanding any economics term. Coming to environment. Start with the last 4 chapters of the NCERT biology book of class 12. Pair this with Shankar IAS or PMF IAS book. For value addition, refer to current affairs, editorials, and annual report of the Ministry of Environment. Disaster management involves practical preparation. Read second ARC third report, Crisis Management. Refer to NDMA guidelines, especially for the disasters of last 1 year. Make notes on the patterns of the Sendai framework and also refer to NDRF website guidelines to craft comprehensive answers. Now, coming to Science and Technology. Refer to Vajiram updated notes of Rahul sir. It is available in the market as well as online. Complement it with newspapers, especially the science page, and any monthly current affairs magazine. Internal security can be tackled by the book Challenges to Internal Security of India by Ashok Kumar and Vipul. Value addition from newspaper and Vision IAS Means 365 book will ensure to cover all recent challenges and updates. Now, we have General Studies 4. In this, we have ethics, and in ethics, there is a subpart case studies. Now, coming to ethics. Ethics demands a combination of conceptual clarity and practical application. The Lexicon ethics is a great starting point. Use the second ARC 4th report, Ethics and Governance, and 12th report, Citizen-Centric Administration, for additional insights. Build a repository of quotations and examples from great leaders like Gandhi, Lincoln. And also make notes on key terms for every word mentioned in the syllabus. For case studies, practice is the key. So focus on practicing regularly. For any given case studies, first explain your position and you have this powers and responsibility, then write what you will do in the given situation. I'll be discussing more about this in my coming videos, and also make a note of qualities, like if this action is taken, then this quality is something I'll show, so that this will come handy when you are dealing with the case studies. As you prepare, remember to stick to limited resources, revise them thoroughly multiple times, practice answer writing consistently, and manage your time well. Consistency is the key. Study regularly and avoid cramming. Stay organized, keep stress in check, and maintain a positive mindset. That's all for today. If you found this book list helpful, hit the like button, comment your doubts, share the video, and subscribe to UPSC Bot for more valuable insights. Let's face the UPSC journey together. See you in the next video. Happy study.